Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So we've had Lucy home now, and I'm just going to show you guys what's happened in the last 24 hours with her. Yes, I'm in a robe because it is freezing and I'm on vacation this week, and I feel like, you know what, I'm just going to wear a robe. So I'm going to show you guys what's happened in the last 24 hours with Lucy. Oh, do you want some food? Want some dinner? One of the first things that I wanted to do with Lucy was to hand feed her dinner. One of the things that I did learn from watching the Canned Dogs and Zach George, as well as Rachel Fazaro, is that hand feeding your puppies meals is a great way to create that bond with them, but also to start training from the very, very beginning. And Lucy just seemed very interested in her food, but she also seemed a little scared at one point, so she didn't really eat all of her food here, but it was so great being able to hand feed her. And right off the bat as well, teaching her how to be gentle and not grab at the food with her teeth. This is also a great time to try and teach basic things like sit. Look at that. Now, I didn't even say the word sit, I just motioned. I basically lifted the food above her head so she had to sit down, but I don't actually say the word or the command until she's got it had it a few times. And I tried to lure her here, but she wasn't having it. So you got to work with what your puppy is comfortable with, and I've had a lot of fun these last 24 hours just learning about her, learning what motivates her. So it's been super fun. She's so cute. One of the things I'm also trying to do is to get Lucy comfortable with being near her crate. So see how close I am to her crate. I'm not telling Lucy to go into the crate now, but I'm just letting her know that it's there and trying to increase her comfort level with that. She's just waiting under the table. She's just sitting there. She's watching everybody eat. She's had like an eighth of her dinner. I don't know if she wants any more. She's sniffing. Good girl. Yes, come here. Good girl. She's sniffing. Is she gonna have a poopy? I think she's gonna have a poopy. Good job. You gonna poop? Yay! Here. Good girl. So guys, this is Lucy. And our first night, I've just taken her outside. She didn't go pee, and then she climbed on a chair and fell off the chair, which was my own fault. I didn't watch her. What I'm going to try and do now is do some grooming with her. I have a detangler just to try and get some of the knots out. There aren't very many, but I just want to get into a little routine of grooming her and then getting her ready for bed, and then we'll see how many times she actually needs to go out tonight. So this is the toothbrush. If you guys remember the haul, this is the toothbrush that I was using. I'm just going to get her to sniff it. Open your mouth. Good girl. Not doing too bad. Not doing too bad. I wasn't expecting her to get it right away. But at least getting her used to the toothbrush is key here. I'm gonna try and get her to sleep in her crate, but we'll see if she will actually let us sleep. But no, the plan is she will sleep in the crate next to my bed, and then I will take her out every hour. So toothbrushing, I would call this, for the very first day, a success. Trying to put her in the exercise pen. She's not handling it very well on her first night. Doing a little bit of whining. Ooh. Shh. Let's see how this goes. She's really not liking that. But I'll let her self-soothe. It's very dark here, but it's 8:52 in the evening, and you can't really see it, but Lucy's fallen asleep in her exercise pen. So we finished a movie. It's now 10:30. I'm gonna take her outside, and then we're gonna put her in her crate next to the bed. So put the crate right next to the bed, right here. And she is whining a little bit. But we'll get her to settle down. She's had a pee outside. It's time for bed. We'll see how long she lasts in here. It's now 10:57. She did cry for a little bit, but it looks like she's sleeping. Have a good night, guys. Yes, good girl. Good girl. Going pee at 5:30 in the morning. Good job. Good job. It is 5:30 in the morning, and she did sleep in her crate the whole night, but she did keep waking up, crying a bit, and I just stuck my fingers in the crate just to calm her down a little bit. But yeah, otherwise, I took her out once at about 1:30, and then again here at 5:30 in the morning. Not bad for her first night. Good morning. So today is going to be Lucy's first full day with us. So she woke us up at 5:30. I'm about to take her outside and then give her breakfast. Let's see what happens. So I'm doing some training with her food. Can't really see. Lucy. Yes. Good. And she's licking it out of my hand. Oh, down. Lucy. Yes. Yes. I'm trying to teach her the marker word as well. Oh. See if she can do it down. Now we'll do a sit first. Sit and down. Yes. Good girl. Lucy. Look. Look, yes. Oh. It's 7 o'clock, and she just needs to get used to her exercise pen while I go and do my workout. Of course, Robin is right here. watching her. You need to calm down, my girl. There you go. Just finished my workout this morning, and Miss Lucy here slept so nicely in her little exercise pen. She's still sleepy. I'll let her sleep some more. She's been so good this morning. Good girl. Hey guys, don't mind the messy hair and the sweatshirt. I don't plan on going anywhere today. It is 1:30 and this little girl has just been fantastic. She's currently napping, but she's been up since 5:30 where we were able to take her out. Then she had breakfast and she's been napping, and she's been going out potty very well for the whole day really. She had one accident, but that was my fault. But otherwise, really good day so far. Let's see if I can train her with some of her dinner. She's just gone for a pee.
You guys share the salsa between you, okay?
That's all the salsa?
What salsa is that?
There?
Should have had another.
Sit.
That's all the salsa?
Oh, yes. So she's just eaten her dinner. It's now time to go outside. Let's see if she will pee right away, because it is pretty cold. She just went to the bathroom right before dinner. So we'll let her stay out here for a few minutes. You can see there's a few spots she's already peed in. Oh, don't sit in your pee. When she gets cold, she gets in between my feet like this. I'll give her another minute. Hey guys, so it's about 20 to 8 right now. It's been a good day with Lucy. I was able to feed her. She didn't go pee and poo afterwards, but she's actually now taking a nap. I should probably wake her up so that she'll go to sleep in a few hours, but how do you wake her? I know according to Rachel Fazaro, you should wake a sleeping puppy, but I'll wash up first, wake her up, play, and then we'll go to sleep. So that is our first full day with Lucy. We're getting into a rhythm of things, and hopefully she sleeps through the night tonight. All right, I'll be posting more videos, maybe, you know, a video on what it's like during my work day with Lucy. We're getting a pup box in the mail soon, so we'll do an unboxing of that as well. All right, thank you guys so much for watching, and have yourselves a great day.